This week has been a grim reminder of nature's power across Asia. In Hong Kong, apartment buildings were struck by fire, families shaken by sudden flames, and emergency crews racing against time. At the same time, floods hit hard in Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Vietnam, Malaysia, and Hat Yai. Roads submerged, homes destroyed, and communities left stranded. Entire neighborhoods were underwater, forcing evacuations and leaving people scrambling for safety and shelter. As authorities race to help survivors and clear wreckage, residents brace for the long road ahead. This week's events show, whether by fire or flood, disaster can hit anyone, anywhere.